It's time for the palace. 1, 2, 3. It's not even shine, just act to be. I'm not telling you what there is to say. To improvise it only stick. You must clap 1, 2, and 3. Clap, 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 clap to be. Clap, 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 clap. It's a celebration step. It's not to tell you only. It's not time to find you lonely. I don't really care what they say about the amazing ones today. It's not really heading no to one. I don't really know what they're talking about, so I'm not telling you what there is a thing to be. Just one problem wrong from the free trees talking together. The free trees talking together. The free trees talking together. One is going. 1, 2, 3. Hop to home. We're going home. Hop, hop, hop. March, march, march. I'm marching right home to a Benny Benman. It was a great day, see, and you so proud. I'm gonna scream to Wonderland. It wasn't time to find a shock, but then when you said it's time to make a mess, I made a mess and played with my toys at home and setting up to 1. I had a great fun day tonight. I wanna do another thing. I wanna do that again. Yay! We're done. Okay. Who are your name? I don't care. Whatever you listen to, whatever I care. Don't care about this thing. About even beatboxing to me and and pterodactyl comes up and says, raw. And then he goes and steps on a tree. Then knocks it down. And he beats back again. What are you doing? I mean, I'm just crazy. What are you doing? Like everyone says so. I don't know what you're doing, yo. I'm beatboxing again. And then you know how every night I will shower 10. I will shower at the start party. And then I will shower in the party. And shower in the party. And beatbox in the party. Yeah, and beatbox all the time. Yeah. Yo, that's how you wanna beatbox. So I'm gonna potty in the shower, please. Get out of the room. I'm potty in the shower. I don't really know what you're talking about. I'm not really interested about. I don't really care about that. I'm not drawn about. I don't really know what about. What is happening on me? It's a fun to see. I wouldn't really want to say that. And that was